Foundation, a non-governmental and non-profit-making organization, was founded by Dr. Chetachi, an indigene of Imo State, 20 years ago in the United States of America. This foundation, which later gave birth to Every Life Matters Foundation, according to the founder, was born out of her personal experience as a single mother who took up several menial jobs to ensure her survival and that of her children, hence this philanthropic gesture.
I promise God that whenever He blesses me, I am going to bless others. But I did not tell Him that I have to be rich to start blessing others. So when He started blessing me just a little, when I could afford 3 meals for my children, then I started giving back.
Chinensa Emeru has been a widow for 14 years. She says at no point has she experienced such love as this since the death of her husband.
I thank God for us having a person like this, a woman like this, a woman with a heart of gold, who remembered us, especially me. I've not been given anything as a widow before, except this one.
We say that God that has used her to bless us, we bless her home in Jesus' name.
I say God bless her, give her life, and bless her anywhere I go.
Dr. Chetachi and her team also visited some orphanages in Owerri, where baby food, bags of rice, cartons of noodles, and other household items were donated. So far, Every Life Matters Humanitarian Foundation has covered 29 states in Nigeria with a vision of covering the entire country. In Owerri, Bright Ebuchu, NTA News.